our project, we have four forces acting on our car. We have the force of gravity pulling the car down towards the ground, and the force of the ground pushing back up on the car. Now, both of our forces are obviously equal because the car is neither levitating above the ground nor sinking into it. Another one of our forces is the car's acceleration forward. We also have friction that's resisting the car's acceleration. The friction on the car is slightly less than its acceleration, so this would make the car move very slowly. This car also has thicker wheels on it, so it would weigh the car down more. Now, Miss Tally will explain our different forces and how to reduce the amount of friction on the car.
Thank you, Miss Michalski. That was a very warm introduction. So, on our secondary model, we have new tires on the car. These tires are thinner and have less tread. So, since they're thinner, they're going to weigh less than the original tires, which will overall affect the weight of the car, making it weigh less. So, if a car weighs less, the force of gravity acting upon it will also be less, and therefore, if the gravity is less, then the force exerted by the earth onto the car, pushing it back up, will also be less. So, since there's less tread on the tires, then the amount of friction pushing backwards against the car's acceleration will also in turn be less. So if a car is accelerating at the same amount of speed that the original car was, it will end up going faster because there's less friction exerted on the car because of the wheels.
As you can see with our cars, you can see the difference in the arrows, and you can see the difference in their wheels. Now that is how we would change the amount of friction and the amount of force exerted by the ground on our cars.
And the force of gravity.